Very nice shop, very pretty.
Yes, but that
Current
one I
vintage. Very nice window display. Let's take a walk in this. Well, it's under the bridge market really. And come Carnival Day, they have music, dancing. See, he's already started. See, he's already started Carnival early. I was telling them, come Carnival Day, all this. Rum. I know. Sorry. Thank you. Sid Vicious. Sid Vicious. Okay. Okay. Who do you see? Who do you watch? Who's your leader? Which is your flock? Grass, yeah. Fantastic. So interesting. These are individual. Very pretty shop. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very quiet in here. Artisan. Artisan. I need to go soon. Can I photograph your sign? I'll give you a big up.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I've been wanting an Osmo, you know. Where'd you get your Osmo from?
Amazon.
Yeah, that's the show.
You get it at the best price.
Yeah, how much did you pay for yours?
300 and something.
Because the ones I've been seeing is like 500 and something.
No, Amazon. Anyway, good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye. That's the Caribbean. Grenada. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. You're famous now. Excuse me. Excuse me, lady. Can I photograph you for my YouTube channel?
Yeah, that's good.
You're very individual, and I like your look.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You take care.
You have a good day. Very artistic, very individual, very nice. Vibrant area of London. It's very nice. Under the Westway flyover. Nice. Ladbroke Grove, West London. Station's over there. Enjoy. Ladbroke Road Tube Station. That will be closed on Carnival Day. And along here come trucks and thousands, hundreds of thousands of people. I'll come back on Carnival weekend and you shall see. I should do another video. I should give it to them, really.
What's that?
If you have a look at some point, you shall see yourself. Maybe 1 week's time.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good time.
I will look.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Ladbroke Road Tube Station. I better get on now. Ladbroke Road, and this will be Lancaster Road, so I shall make my way back. Nice barbers, very well kitted out, very nice. And this is on the corner of Lancaster Road, London, West 11, UK. They're pretty houses. Nice colour. Very nice. I came down Lancaster Road. I shall go through. Let me go this way. Very nice.
Indeed.
It's South American. Very colourful houses. Very nice, very pretty. And this is, let's have a look here, the blue plaque. Claudia Jones, mother of a Caribbean carnival. See, she's been here a long time. Very pretty, very individual colours. There's another blue plaque. Russell Henderson, musician, pioneer and pan artist. First ever carnival parade of the streets of Nottingham, 1963.
I think the biggest fight I've seen you guys.
Other than a fight, I was pissed.
That was just scam freaking out, as per usual.
Visitors, tourists.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah.
And you know what the worst part is? You know what the worst part is?
Tavistock Gardens, and this is where I'm parked. Look at that, big beautiful houses. Streets of Notting Hill. These look like council housing, living next to properties valued 2 million in excess of. Nice park, play area, relaxation area, whatever you want it to be, in the middle of developed area where we have rich and poor living side by side in harmony. Wonderful. Eh? This is socialism, I think you can call it. Wonderful. Looks so peaceful, calm, in the middle of central London, eh? Wonderful. Look, a banana tree. How cool is that?